Today, Camp Nou brings one of the biggest and latest construction updates yet. We're back for a full stadium walkthrough as progress moves at full speed again. With better weather and no rain delays, work is accelerating across multiple zones. From Lamella installation to major structural and façade developments, let's dive in and see how the new Camp Nou is transforming. In the tribune area, work is focused on the elevator cores, with crews active across multiple levels and 2 lifting platforms in operation. Interior teams are working inside the scaffolding on different floors. A white protective coating is being applied to the structural beams. The staircase structures are nearing panel installation, with the orange crane assisting ongoing placement work. Most glass panels beneath the first overhang are now installed. Rock wool insulation and protective coverings are clearly visible above. This section is looking increasingly complete. Adjacent areas are being prepared for further glass installation. Some openings remain, but insulation work is advancing. Progress here is steady and consistent. In Gol Sur, multiple lifting platforms and cranes are active. Workers are installing insulation and preparing façade zones near the corner. Structural work is ongoing across upper levels. Support structures still lack final anchor installations. Preparation work continues around these elements. A crane is positioned near the elevator core for upcoming placements. Sandwich panel installation has reached the first overhang level on the right structure. Workers are securing panels from lifting platforms. The enclosure is rapidly taking shape. Additional panels have been added along the side and interior sections. The elevator shaft structure is becoming clearly defined. Workers are tightening anchor points and reinforcing beam connections. Some anchor elements are still missing. Structural alignment and fastening continue steadily. Progress in the corner since Monday has been huge. Many right-side lamellas and nearly half of the upper section were installed in just days. With no rain delays, speed has clearly increased. The orange crane is active, and more lamellas are ready for installation. Some debate the spacing between lamellas. The final look will be clearer once lighting and full installation are complete. From the front lateral view, the façade looks more defined with the lamellas in place. Scaffolding is ready for the 4th pillar and radial beam. The pillar is on site, and the crane is prepared for lifting. Installation could happen this week without match interruptions. Concrete panels are set below, while sandwich panels continue rising. One opening remains, but progress is steady. A truck loaded with lamellas has arrived on site. Nearby sectors are already prepared with supports and anchors. 3 main sectors are now visible. Only small gaps near pillar areas remain. A yellow lifting box is being prepared for the 3rd overhang. It likely contains bolts for radial beam installation. Large structural pieces remain staged nearby. Some diagonal supports are still waiting to be installed. Stair structures appear structurally complete. No major new pieces have arrived in this quieter corner section. Some anchor installations are still pending. Glass panels and protective coverings remain unchanged. Work here is focused on preparation. A large trailer has delivered new Lamella supports to Gol Norte. Some lower support lines are still incomplete. Anchors are not fully installed yet, so lamellas will come later. Structural groundwork continues. Rock wool insulation is now installed along upper glass zones. Some glass panels are still pending. Glass supports are already installed in this zone. A new prefabricated seating section is being installed. Material sacks are being removed by crane. A 3rd level of steel tubes has been added. Workers are applying another coat of protective paint. Vertical lamella connectors are now being installed. The first vertical unit is already visible. The stadium is transforming quickly, especially in lamella and structural areas. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more Camp Nou updates. Stay tuned for the next walk around. You won't want to miss it.